So we have arrived at our second hotel in Playa del Carmen. This is Ocean Riviera Paradise, and we are staying in a junior suite in the El Beso section, which is the adults only section. It's a lovely big spacious room. It's got a sofa which actually pulls out into a sofa bed if you wanted to use this room for 4 people. This is a swimming pool. It's exclusive for El Beso or privileged guests, and they do check what wristband you are wearing and will ask you to leave if you are not wearing the correct band. It has a swim up bar in the middle, and there's always sunbeds available no matter what time of day you come. This is the bathroom. It has a jacuzzi bath. It has double sinks and then a shower, which actually has a rainfall shower head in there as well. It's a lovely spacious shower. Then the toilet is behind there. So it's our first evening here and we've come to check out the entertainment. They normally have entertainment here every evening in the square or over there in the theatre. This is the Blue Moon restaurant where we've come for breakfast. Got the red velvet pancakes. And what was your dish called? The hangover eggs, these are. Tonight's entertainment is the silent disco. You have to give this a try if you come here. This hotel has lots of wildlife. The monkeys are a big attraction here. You'll find them often chilling in the trees but opposite the El Beso pool, and if you're lucky enough sometimes they will come and take a trip to your balcony. Look, came back for them. So this is so cool. A couple of nights a week they have Mexican street food for you to try. There's tacos, there's margaritas, there's a tequila stand with lots of different flavors for you to try. Buenos dias! We are in Playa del Carmen. Oh look, they're doing a show. I'd recommend coming to Playa del Carmen Centre for a couple of hours at the hotel. It costs 300 pesos in a taxi. It's not a long journey at all, and you can purchase some souvenirs to take home with you. One of our favourite restaurants was the Japanese. For more details on the restaurants at this resort, if you click the link on the screen now, it will take you to our vlog online. It's the evening now and we've actually come to the theatre for tonight's show. We've come to the beach today. There's actually quite a bit of seaweed here at the beaches in Playa del Carmen. You can see the guys are trying their best to clear it up, but it's a never-ending job. We actually came to the beach the other day and the water was clear as anything, but today it's a bit mucky, but we'll try and see some fish anyway. Today we have come to Xplor, a jungle adventure park which has zip lining, river rafting, underground rivers to swim in, so it's going to be a day full of adventure.
I prefer cucumber. Cucumber le llamamos pepino. Yes.
They use mango para que. If we're going to die, we're going to die first.
Let's try the guacamole. How do you like it? Let me try some. I hope you enjoyed our vlog of Ocean Riviera Paradise in Mexico. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel vlogs in the future. And as always, if you have any questions on this resort, drop them in the comment box below. Adios amigos!